So today we will be starting with a beginner friendly Java course. So here I have opened VS Code. If you want to download VS Code, just go to Google Chrome and type VS Code download. The first website will be the official website. Here you can download VS Code for Windows, Linux, Mac as you wish. So now let's come back to VS Code. Now let's talk a little bit about VS Code. I will be explaining more features of VS Code in the future videos. Here this is a file explorer option. Here all of your file will be stored. There is the search option if you want to search some keyword in your file. Source control, it's for connecting your VS Code with GitHub. This is a run and debug option. Here you can run and debug your files. This is extensions. VS Code gives you plenty of extensions you can download. For example, I have downloaded Code Runner for Java, C, C++. It helps your code run more smoothly and also provides you with suggestions. So that's enough basic. Let's start. So here there is an option of new file. Just click on it and let's just name it first.java. Here you can see a new file is created. In VS Code there is also keyword. Wait, let me do one more thing. This is the settings option. When I go to command palette, there is an option such as toggle screencast mode. When I'm using screencast mode, whatever I'm typing through my keyboard, it will be visible to you on the screen. Okay, so let's start. So this is public. Public is a access specifier, which means who can access the. In future, we will discuss more about access specifiers. In total, there are 3 access specifiers: public, protected, and reserved. Class. Here first is the name of our main class. So let's start. As I write main, as you can see, VS Code is giving me suggestions. Here you can see public static main method. So as we press enter, the main method is visible to you. Now let's discuss about the main method. Every Java program starts from the main method. If you write any Java program in the world, it must have a main method. So here public is the access specifier again. There are static is the state, void is the return type. In Java there are various return types, like you can get a integer value, boolean value, string value as a return. String args, it is for taking user input. String args. So for example, you want to print something in Java. If you want to print something, you just need to type system.out.println. ln is for printing a new line. Here you can see that print ln. You can print a string x, you can print an object, you can print an integer, you can like the character, double, float, long, character, boolean. All these are data types: int, character, double. We'll talk about data types in the future, but now let's just write your if it's the first time you are programming, you are writing your first program. So system.out.println. Whenever you write a Java program, semicolon is necessary. For example, I write this is my first Java program. So basically this code is complete. You can run it from here. As you see, it's printed. This is my first Java program. So this video was about just some basic syntax. We talked a little about public access specifiers and some data types. We will discuss about these topics in later videos, but like let me talk about this course. In this course I will be making short videos, like video just about 5 minutes, and I will be explaining a topic to you in just 5 minutes. So whenever you are like sleeping, walking, and whenever you want to learn Java, just open the YouTube channel. You can just a small concept of Java in 5 minutes. So if any of you who has already learned Java, who is good at Java, don't worry if you're thinking that this is a very basic thing. I will also take this course to the advanced levels, but now for the first code was for beginners. In the next video we will be discussing about data types. So thank you, and subscribe to BroCodes.